Hey guys, so I'm going to make this video super quick. Today you are going to be doing the second draft of your friendship paragraph. So first you need to have written your first draft. If you did, find it in your drive, copy and paste it into this box here, right? Find your paragraph in your drive, copy and paste it in here. Then you're going to copy and paste it a second time down here. I know that seems weird, so copy once, paste here in this box, and then paste it down here in this box. The one up here in box 1 you're going to leave alone. You're not going to do anything to it. It's just there so you can see it. The one down here is the one you're going to be changing. All right, paste your paragraph in this box. You're going to revise it. When you're done, you'll be able to see then your old draft and your new draft. That's kind of why they're both going to be on the page. So here's what I want you to do to your draft that you've pasted in box 2. First, proofread it. Correct any mistakes that you might find. It's probably been a while since you looked at this, and our eyes will see old mistakes, after some time has passed. Then you're going to include 5 out of the following 6 subject predicate types in your paragraph and highlight them according to this key. So look through your paragraph and find a subject predicate set that is a noun and an action verb. Find one that is a noun and a linking verb, a pronoun and an action verb, a pronoun and a linking verb, a noun with a verb phrase, or a pronoun with a verb phrase. There are 6. You need to find 5. If they don't all exist, then you need to revise things a little bit and create them in there. All right, change your writing a little bit so that you do have 5 out of 6 of these types of subject predicate sets. Now, when you find, let's use noun action verb as an example. When you find a noun, a sentence that the noun is the subject and the predicate is an action verb, you're going to highlight that sentence in orange. As you're looking through your writing and you find a sentence where your subject is a noun and your predicate is a linking verb, you're going to highlight that sentence in yellow. All right, so I would go through and see which ones you have already existing. And then if you don't have 5, look through and see what can you change, what can you add, right? So that you get 5 out of 6 of these. Here's the last thing. If you did not already write your friendship paragraph, you're going to need to do that. So that means you have a big task today. If you did already write it, then you don't have such a big task at all. All right, that's it. If you have questions or concerns or you need any help, please get hold of me. And have a great day.